On the screen, you see a selection of roads within the city of Tshwane in South Africa. And this road network has quite a few entries, 22,630 entries, where the roads are drawn with individual segments, and then each segment is named, so you know which road that particular segment is part of. However, you might ask yourself, how many individual roads do I have within this feature layer? In the current format, it's difficult to see because you can already see that there's the N1, N1, N4, N4. So the road names are not unique. They are repeated as each segment that makes up the road network is drawn in the feature class. One way of extracting the actual number of individual roads based on unique names that exist within a particular feature class is by using the Dissolve tool. You simply search for it, and when you open it up, you have to, of course, state which particular layer you want to work with, and then you select your dissolve fields. So here I'm interested in the name. I want only the unique names to be returned. And what this tool does, it finds all the individual names that are the same, and then it creates only one entity out of those. So for example, if you have 20 segments that make up the N4, what the dissolve does is it will take all of those 20 segments and it will create one feature that represents the N4. So only one segment where before there were 20. When you run the tool, you'll see how this works as well. Simply open the attribute table and you'll see that where previously I had over 20,000 features, now there's only 5,058. And when you actually have a look at the individual entries, so the names are now unique. There's no duplication because all the previous multiple entries of a name were dissolved into only one feature. And that is how you would use a dissolve tool. It actually reduces the amount of entries in your attribute table without affecting the spatial representation of your feature layer.